Assalamu alaikum students. I am Mrs. Hafsa, your computer teacher from Army Public School and College System Rahimiyar Khan. And the topic of today's lesson is role of computer, in which we are going to discuss uses of computer in various fields. Here we are going to discuss the use of computer in education, business, defense, media and manufacturing. Education. Role of computers in education has been given a lot of importance in the recent years. Computer technology eases the process of learning. Many programs are available for students to learn the subject of physics, maths, chemistry, bio, and computer. Multimedia software makes the process of learning interactive and interesting. It combines the text, graphics, sound, and video for effective learning. Internet has enormous information on a wide variety of subjects. Students can refer to internet to find information on any topic. Nowadays, computers with multimedia projectors are being used in classrooms for effective teaching. All the activities related to examination are being controlled using computers. Therefore, it plays an important role in education. Today, computer education is a part of curricula from elementary to university level. Business. Computers are used in all type of business to improve productivity. They help in running business activities efficiently. They are used to prepare business documents, reports, charts, presentations, invoices, etc. They help in staying in contact with employees and customers. Following are some important business areas where computers are used. The first one is computer technology has changed the banking business. Deposits and withdrawals are instantly logged into a customer's account. Accurate monthly bank statements are generated with the help of computer. Computer networks allow amount of bill to be transferred from customer's bank account to the store. People can obtain cash anytime, anywhere through ATM. The second one is computers are used in retail store. Barcode readers are linked to computer system that are used to read the barcode printed on each product sold to prepare the bill. With the use of computers at retail store, the checkout process is faster and the bill produced is accurate. The third one is electronic commerce, also known as e-commerce, allows to sell products and services by means of computer network such as internet. Computers are very helpful in running many other types of business such as hospitals, school, travel agency, hotels, etc. Defense. There are various applications of computer technology in defense. Computers are used in tanks, planes, and ships to target enemy forces. They help in tracking missiles and destroying them. Modern defense weapons and other equipments are controlled by computers. Computers are used for designing and testing of weapons. They are also used in communication systems in defense. Media. Computers have lot of applications in print and electronic media. Print media refers to mass communication through printed material. Computer technology helps in preparation and production of newspapers, magazines, booklets and brochures, flyers, press releases and books. Electronic media refers to broadcast media that includes radio broadcast, cable and satellite television broadcast, and the new age media like internet and mobile devices. Manufacturing. Nowadays, computer technology is widely used in manufacturing industry. It has improved the accuracy, quality and speed of manufacturing. Computers are used for product design and automation of manufacturing process in factories known as computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing. CAD and CAM. Computer aided design involves the use of computer hardware and graphics software to create product design. CAM. Computer aided manufacturing involves the use of computer in planning and management of production operation. CAD and CAM technology has been applied in many industries including automobile, electronics, machine components, textile, fashion, etc.